In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set or how you can allow Facebook to access your location. To allow location permission on Facebook, it is quite simple. Just go to settings, and to go to settings first, go to menu by tapping on this profile icon above, and then under this tap on settings. Now under settings, scroll down until you get to this your activity section, and under this look for the option called device permissions. Tap on it. And now you can see under device permission, we have location and it is currently set to never. To change this, go ahead and tap on see info and then tap on update settings. From this, give permission for Facebook to go ahead and open device settings. And now this will take you to settings on your smartphone. Now go ahead and tap app permissions, and under this look for location, and here it is. You can see we have quite a number of options here. You can either tick to don't allow, ask anytime, or allow while using this app. So to allow, just go ahead and tap on allow, and that is it. You will have allowed location permission for Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.